Welcome to Holland's Custom Cabinets. Striking designs, precision engineering, premium materials, handcrafted customization, and an unwavering commitment to customer service and satisfaction have made Holland's Custom Cabinets a Southern California mainstay for more than 45 years. The Holland story began in 1977 when Robert Bob Holland, working out of his parents' garage, started building high-quality cabinet systems for San Diego home and business owners, many of them his friends and neighbors. Under Bob's guidance, Holland's quickly became known for its innovative designs, quality workmanship, turnkey installation, and ease of service. Today, Holland's is proud to count multiple generations among both its employee and customer families. We think our customers' comments and the many 5-star reviews we've earned over the years speak for themselves. Whether you're remodeling or building a new home or commercial space, cabinets and storage should never be an afterthought. Like the beautiful pieces of furniture they are, Holland's cabinets are constructed with intricate architectural detail and designed to fit a range of lifestyles, functions, and budgets, and to last for years.
I'm good at knowing what looks good and that type of thing. I've always strived for perfection. The customer reaction is overwhelming because they're so blessed and pleased with what you did. It's so important to go that extra mile from them.
Since its founding, Holland's has grown by pioneering products, processes, and modern technologies to become the West Coast's premier cabinet maker and installer. Holland's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and showroom in El Cajon, California, is staffed by a visionary team of designers, master craftsmen, and project managers. As a Woodwork Institute Certified Compliance Program member, Holland's is held to the highest industry standards for fabrication and installation. Whether a residential installation or large commercial project, Holland's gives every job its full attention.
Making sure that the customer is happy is a big deal. We go through a lot to make sure they're happy, and if there's an issue and they're not, we feel like we failed, and it hurts, right? So, getting those great reviews and keeping it on that path is important.
From initial consultation and 2D or 3D renderings to installation and follow-through, Holland's takes meticulous care to anticipate client needs, answer questions, and develop solutions that go the extra mile for our customers. Just as it was in 1977, there are no prefabricated cabinets in the Holland's workshop. Holland's builds made-to-fit cabinetry and shelving from scratch in a variety of styles and finishes, from classic to contemporary, for kitchens, baths, closets, mudrooms, offices, and more. Commercial clients appreciate Holland's high-capacity manufacturing processes, competitive bids, and quick turnarounds. Residential clients appreciate Holland's ability to create custom storage solutions that elevate their lifestyles and withstand decades of daily use.
Over the years, Holland's has always grown, innovated, and delivered quality products to keep up with the changing trends. Our commitment to our team, our clients, and our workmanship has never wavered.
We invite you to join the Holland's Custom Cabinets client family today. We look forward to serving your cabinetry and storage solutions needs today and for decades to come.